Hello, good morning, friends. So I just wanted to share some of the work that I did on the charting. I was using the artificial intelligence to generate the charts, basically OpenAI APIs to generate the charts. I was thinking like, what is the use case? How do we do it, and things like that. So finally I was able to. I was thinking like we can just import a CSV, get the chart suggestions. Either you generate from the chart suggestions or you give a prompt to generate the chart. So now this simple demo that I'll quickly show through what I have done. So here we can import the chart. Import the CSV file. So I looked at the sales data sample. So this is the sales data sample that I have got from the Kaggle site. Kaggle has a good sample data sets. It's a data science site. So now you can see the three different chart suggestions have been generated here. I have given like two different types of charts, either Vega charts or charts.js charts. So now we'll explore the chart.js charts first, and then we'll try and generate some Vega charts as well. So now so it generated bar chart. So I'll just try generating the bar chart. So what I'm doing is the sample data set, right? So I'm just sending the couple of rows, like 2 or 3 rows, to the OpenAI along with the headers of the CSV file, um, and uh, um, and kind of asking the suggestions. So and even for the chart generation as well. So we will send the first 3 rows of the chart, the CSV file, and we will ask the transformation function or the transformation logic that we need to apply on top of the entire data set to get the chart out of it. So now the data stays private only, so all in the browser itself. Only the 3 rows will be shared. We will get the transformation function, we will apply the transformation function on top of the data that we have, and you will get the chart out of it. So now this is the whole chart that got automatically generated, and I have not written a single piece of code to calculate it. So and this is like very dynamic. You can import like any CSV, and you can get the suggestions and do it. So now let's do the pie chart distribution of the order of the status. So meanwhile, while this is generating, right, I'll show you the data structure that I have. So this is a data structure that I have. So it has the order number, quantity, price per each, um, price per each, and sales numbers, month ID, year ID, city, state, and as well as the deal size at the end. So this is a typical data structure, the sales data structure that we have, and we are trying to generate a some kind of charts out of this. So so now, so we have got it, the order status, and disputed the different order statuses, and along with their labels as a pie chart. So now let's see if the bubble chart, I'm not sure whether it will generate the bubble chart or not. I have not tried it, but we'll see it. Yeah. So show the relationship between quantity ordered and sales. Each bubble represents the order, an order with the size of the bubble indicating the quantity of the order, and the position of the chart representing the sales amount. Okay, seems interesting. We'll see. Yeah, so this is the bubble chart that it is generated. So each order ID, quantity of the ordered versus sales. Okay. um, okay, so basically it is a relationship between the quantity ordered and the sales. So if you, what is the amount, and what is um, the sales that is done on that particular quantity, right? Yeah, looks good. Bubble chart also it is able to generate. I did not thought that it will generate the bubble chart as well. It's good. We'll go to the, I have listed down some of the things. So we'll try some of the stack bar chart and other stuff. So we'll see, the first we'll start with the stack bar chart. So we will try stack bar chart and line chart as well. Now we have like three different types of charts we tried, right? So we tried bar chart, we tried pie chart and bubble chart. Now we'll do stack bar and also the line chart. So we'll go with the stack bar. stack bar chart with month wise total order quantity versus product line. Okay, we want to see the month wise order quantity versus product line. Okay, cool. So what does that look like? So we have the order quantity ordered, so it has to understand this terminology, and monthly it has to understand because the order date is not in months. Oh, but here month id is there. Okay, good. So it'll has, and probably it'll sum up all the years 2004 4 and 2003 4 as well. I'm thinking. So now this is generate. Oh yeah, this is generated stacked bar chart. So you have the you have number of the sales numbers here. The classic cars is like 2740 is a quantity ordered in the first month, and vintage cars, trucks and buses. So different product lines each month, and this months are also arranged in an order. You look at this, like this is cool, right? Yeah, this looks very cool to me. So I'm happy that I was able to generate the charts with this particular thing. Okay, we'll see one more line chart maybe. Total sales distribution for different order status as a bar. So bar chart we tried, so we don't want to do it again. Pie chart percentage of sales by product line, sales by year. Maybe we'll try this sales by year bar chart, and then finally we'll try the line chart. Not sure whether line chart will work or not. We'll try that as well. Okay. So but the idea is really cool, right? So you import the csv file, you give the suggestions, and then you can either prompt it, or you can choose one of these suggestions. All these three suggestions worked for us, right? The bar chart worked, the pie chart worked, and the bubble chart worked. So and we are also trying, oh man, this is also worked. So this year wise, and the chart is also worked. So this is really cool stuff. I mean, I don't know how you guys feel, but I felt this is really cool. So yeah, one last thing we'll try, and I'll go through the monthly sales growth. Okay, let's see the top 10 countries by sales. We'll try that, and then one last line chart. I don't know whether it can understand all the top, like it has to sort it out, like things like that, right? It has to generate a function that can sort out, that can get the sales amount, and then put it in a nice chart, right? So, and I did not mention it is a bar chart or something, right? So probably it should understand that it is a bar chart or some things like that. Wow, this is cool. So now you see the USA has more sales in Spain and France and Australia. So here in the Kaggle site as well, right? I see that sales by where is it? Yeah, monthly active customer. Okay, yes, this top 10 countries by sales is USA and things like that, right? Some numbers it is coming here: USA, Spain, France, Australia. So now you see here USA, Spain, France, Australia. So it's like matching, right? I mean, I'm really happy to see that it's matching here as well. So it's cool. I think that the work it is done. I mean, though, like it's not getting this from the internet. Okay, it's basically it's calculating the amount, and actually it's doing something. I'll show you what it is doing little just a little while. We'll see one last chart. Maybe I was thinking the frequency, right? So the total distribution, some frequency, some, yeah, the histogram chart. So let's see this is basically a little interesting: quantity ordered versus how many times the same quantity is ordered as a histogram, like the frequency, right? So there is a frequency chart distribution is there in the Kaggle. So I just want to try that out once and see if it works. So but it, yeah, let's see. So here there is a distribution of the yeah, this one, sales distribution and frequency. This sales distribution, price distribution, and order quantity distribution. So this is what we are trying. So how many number of times the same quantity is being ordered. and then the frequency of it, but it is basically a band chart, like it has like a bands there. I don't know whether it will generate the bands. Oh, cool. So it generated, but it generated like, the actual it's not bands. So the order number 21, number of orders are 93 orders, which is having a number of 20, right? So this will give you the frequency of the orders. So yeah, so it gives some kind of histogram kind of thing, right? So that is also working. Let's go with the one last thing, the line chart. uh, Product versus, yeah, product line versus number of orders line chart for year 2003. I don't know whether it will filter and everything. We'll try it out. Okay, it happened. Okay, don't know why that error came in, but we'll see. um, Product code versus number of orders as line chart for year 2020. Okay, let's do this for year. Product code versus number of orders in year 2003 as line chart. So let's see if it is able to understand that prompt and convert it and get the data and all. Okay. Okay, it is able to generate the chart and it's faster as well. Okay, cool.